welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal and I am back with another video. So in today's video I am actually going to be trying out the Suva Beauty Hydraliners. I saw these on Instagram and I really wanted to give them a shot, so I ordered it and it came in, and your girl is finally going to be trying it out for you guys to bring you guys this makeup look. Before we get into the video, if you're not subscribed to your girl's channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell, which will give you an alert every time I post a new video. Also, follow your girl on Instagram at Christal_Greer. So if you want to see how your girl was able to create this eye look using these colorful and really cute, vibrant liners, then keep watching. Okay guys, so I did my eyebrows off camera. Also prepped my face for my foundation because I wanted to do all of this ahead of time so that way we can just focus on the eye. Right now I already put a shadow on my, so I put concealer on my eyelids, and then I put on this kind of like mauve-ish kind of eyeshadow. I'm thinking maybe I should have went with a lighter base since I'm trying, colored eyeliners, but I think we can work with it because I'm not taking all this off to put it back on. So we are going to be trying today the Suva Beauty HydraFx Body Art Eyeliners. I ordered this, I don't know how long ago, maybe like a week or two ago. I've had it here for a little while. I ordered, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, and then I ordered one of their brushes. So they have their specific brushes that they sell with the eyeliner. So I figure obviously if they have brushes, it means probably these work best with it. So I got one of the brushes. So we have the red Cherry Bomb. Then we have the orange, which is Acid Trip. The names are cute. We have green, which is Fanny Pack. And then we have the pink, which is Scrunchie. And then we have a neon yellow, which is Dance Party. There we go. So practically all of those are like neonish kind of colors. So I've been dying to try this on my eye, and right now I'm trying to figure out which color would look bomb with this that I put on. I think I'm going to go with Scrunchie, the pink one. Definitely not the one I thought I was going to use. Anyway, I believe I will put all the details about these in the description bar below. I'm trying to remember how much they cost. Each of the pots were $14 each, so that's a little steep. I think it's good for a pot. Let me open it up so you guys can see, because it's a decent, God, only thing I hate is opening these boxes. These boxes are horrible, but it's a decent sized pot, and this has to be activated with water, so it's definitely going to last you a long time. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm going to turn it to the side. But yeah, it's a lot, it's a good amount of product in here. And it's really vibrant. So I think it's a good price considering that this is probably going to last you a very long time. And then the brush was $12. So altogether I spent, it was free shipping, I spent $82 on 5 of these pots with the brush. came with, you know, cute little card from them with all the colors on it, and then basically it tells you exactly how to apply everything. And also I got a little free gift from them, which is super cute. I got a little keychain. It's so cute. It actually has like this light thing on it. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, it's cute. So yeah, so that's what came in the package. I already prepped my eye. I have some water here in this container because we're going to need water to activate it. And of course I have my little e.l.f. mixing thingy here. So let's take this brush out. I think we're going to leave the eye as is, and we're just going to go in with the color. Come on out. Definitely can't hide. Alright.
So, according to this, it says activate the Hydraliner with water only. To avoid moisture buildup, do not put water directly into the pot. Okay. Scrape the product out of the pot and onto a makeup palette. Also, we have to do some scraping. Okay, I don't know how I'm going to do that, but gotta scrape this out. Okay. Okay, then mix until the product is creamy. Okay, you need to use more water. Make sure it's too dry. Key is to start with a good consistency, layering, thinner, sheet application, and result crackling. Alright.
Definitely didn't know I was going to be doing arts and crafts today. So I just want to show you guys what I'm doing. So the key is to get, you need it to be creamy. It looks like it's getting to that point right now. So hopefully you guys can see this. It's like a very nice, creamy consistency. I'm going to swatch it just so we can make sure we have like the right consistency. So this is how it looks. You guys can see. I like. What do you guys think? I'm thinking about doing green now. So I'm going to try to go right on top of that with green. Okay guys, so this is what I came up with. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'm going to go finish the rest of my face and I'm going to come back and really break it down and tell you guys what I really think of these liners. Okay guys, so this is the final look. So it actually really came out really good. I had a little bit of a hard time with the liners because at first I thought when I mixed them with water that I had the perfect consistency. It was creamy, it was smooth, but what I realized was when I was trying to fill in after doing the wing, they were getting super clumpy, which I know the instructions mention that if it's getting clumpy, then that's because you're piling it on and it shouldn't be that type of consistency. So your girl had to literally start all over. So then I ended up getting it to a way better consistency, and this is the end result. So I will say it's a little tricky. It almost seems like it's easy because it's like practically playing in paint, but it actually isn't as easy as it looks. I was able to do the pink first and then I went on top of it with the green because I really wanted to, you know, kind of just play around with the colors and see how they work together. If you watch my videos, then you know I don't really do bright colors like this, so I'm trying to kind of incorporate that into my makeup looks. So I really wanted to just go ahead and just try something different. And as difficult as this was, I do feel like it came out really good. So practice is key. You know, I just have to keep practicing it. I really do like the colors though. It's very vibrant and they're very out there. The pot is like a very decent amount, so it's gonna last you a long time because literally even when you like scoop out just the littlest bit to mix with the water, it makes like a whole lot. So, you know, a little goes a long way. So for $14 for each pot, I think it's very good. Somehow or another, the brush that I bought with the Hydraliners ended up breaking. I don't know how, but it looks like I'm gonna either have to get a separate brush or I think I'm just gonna find some way to kind of, because it's just a stick that got messed up, so I'm gonna have to fix that because the brush works so perfectly with the liners that, you know, I would just prefer to use that. But overall, I love how the look came out. It was a little tricky in the beginning, but overall the liners themselves are great once you get the hang of how it actually works. Like, it's very important to follow that card. It gives you like detailed step-by-step instructions on what, you know, the liner is actually supposed to look like and what not to do. So that kind of helped me really get through the eye look and get it to where it is right now. So I'm very happy about that. And the next makeup video I do, we will go just all the way through with my makeup routine, but for today I just wanted to focus on the eye look. So basically this is the end result after I have put on the rest of my makeup with foundation and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mini makeup tutorial. I do think the eye look came out really cute. I'm going to take some pictures and put it on Instagram, so if you're not following your girl on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. My Instagram is Christal_Greer. I will be putting up some pictures of the look there, so you'll be able to see it a lot better. But overall, I really love how the look came out. I hope you guys did too. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you really thought of the eye look today. Have you ever tried Suva Beauty and their Hydraliners before? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now is the time for you to subscribe. What are you waiting for? Do it now so you can see your girl, and put on your post notification so you get an alert every time I post a video, so you're never gonna miss out. You're gonna be the first one to comment, the first one to like, the first one to give the first view. You know what I'm saying? So thank you guys so much for watching your girl's video today. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.